Good afternoon. It's Robert Fleming. I'm preparing to cook a meal for a guest, and I'm going to be making pasta, penne pasta. And to help me get in the spirit of cooking pasta, I will be reading my writing from Devil's Party Press Instant Noodles. Recipe for hard noodles. Patent pending, not available in the supermarket. You'll have to make your own homemade noodle weapon or leave your victim the worst fate. Live. If you're a happy homemaker, murderer, select the perfect noodle. I recommend for your first noodle kill the new spaghetti. Only if you're good at knots and homemade jewelry. Knot the spaghetti strands together into a necklace. Necklace your victim. The spaghetti tightens when drying. Ramen, a strangling. If you failed your Boy Scout knot badge, try the poison ravioli. Any poison will do. I prefer antifreeze filling. How to put the poison in? For a liquid, needle inject until the ravioli screams. If you use weak poison, the victim will live until the last bite. Next week's column, making a stabbing noodle knife. Reader replies to the noodle murderer. And I hope you'll all come for dinner for my noodle penny pasta tonight. See you at 6.